In this tutorial, we'll cover how to set up your Keymaster app, an advanced 2 of 3 multi-signature Bitcoin key manager created by Casa. This tutorial is shown on an Android phone, but Keymaster is available for both Android and iPhone, and the setup is the same. First, you'll want to download the app from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. A direct link to download the app can always be found in our online support center. When you open the app, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and your password. This should be the same email and password that you used to sign up for your Casa membership on our website. Once you've done that, tap Continue. This is your Keymaster dashboard. Shown here is the basic multisig key type, which requires multiple signatures to spend funds, and is the most secure way to store your Bitcoin. The mobile key, a separate key type within your Keymaster app, only requires your phone to sign and send transactions. This key type is recommended for storing smaller amounts of Bitcoin. Let's go back to the basic multisig key manager, and I'll walk you through the setup process. From the dashboard, tap the bar at the bottom of the screen to set up basic multisig. Let's first set up your recovery key. This key is managed by Casa, but cannot by itself be used to access funds. The recovery key is only ever used if you lose access to one of your other keys, so hopefully you won't ever need to use it. When you first set up your recovery key, you'll be prompted to answer a series of security questions. You'll be asked these questions if you ever need to use the recovery key, so make the answers something that you can remember, but something that is not public information or known by anyone else. We recommend that you do not write down these answers. That completes the setup of your recovery key. Next, let's configure your mobile key. When you tap Setup Mobile Key, the app automatically generates a mobile key for your phone, which you can later use as one of the keys needed to sign and send a transaction. Lastly, you can configure your hardware device. If you have not already initialized your hardware device, you'll need to do that first by following the instructions given in the packaging of your hardware device. During that process of initializing your hardware device, you'll be prompted to write down a 24-word seed phrase, which can be used to restore your hardware device key. For increased security, we actually recommend that you do not store or keep a copy of your hardware device's seed phrase. We consider the Keymaster wallet to be seedless in the sense that you don't need to keep a seed phrase backup of your hardware device key. In the unlikely event that you lose that hardware device, you'll still be able to recover funds using your mobile device key in combination with your recovery key. Once your hardware device is initialized, tap Setup Hardware Key, then tap Send Email to Connect Device. Now, you'll need to check your email. Follow the instructions given in the email to complete the setup of your hardware device. This is what that email looks like. Go ahead and click Connect Your Device Now. Click Trezor if you're using a Trezor, or Ledger if you're using a Ledger. In this case, I'm using a Trezor. Go ahead and click Continue and connect your hardware device. Click Export, and then enter the PIN code for your hardware device. Then click Confirm. That's it. You're all set up. Now you've configured your mobile device key, your hardware device key, and you also have the Casa recovery key. Tapping the Assets icon at the bottom of the screen will bring you to your basic multisig key manager, as well as your mobile key manager. You are now ready to receive, store, and send Bitcoin safely and securely using Keymaster by Casa, the best key manager on the planet.